What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to locate and replace the cabin filter in your 2015 Acura TLX. It's going to be in your glove box, so we're going to start by going there. You're going to want to remove everything you have in here. Then you can remove this cubby that you have here. It says removable right there. All you got to do is just pull on it and it'll come right out. Now you have a cover right here. You can see how it has these little slots right here. Just going to pull this up, the cover will come right off. And there's another cover. Okay, so the air filter is located right in here. Push these tabs on the sides here. There's gonna be two of them. And then the door will come right off. And the cabin filter is right here. Now, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box for a new cabin filter. This one is brand new, check it out. So this car's not gonna need one, but if you need one, you can go ahead and check out that link when you get your new one. Just note airflow on your old one and everything like that. Just reinstall it the way you took it out. Door just pops right back on. Nice and easy. Same thing with this guy here. And then the cubby. Back on just like that. Well, if the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked and subscribed. You guys take care, be safe. Have a great weekend.